Hi everyone, welcome to the Daily Tarot Sessions with me, Sonam Jofiel. And it's already Friday, the weekend's here. Oh, I'm always so excited when the weekend's here because my son has his offs from school on Saturdays and Sundays, so it's literally an off for me too. Online classes require a lot of effort from our end, and it's just a break for me, so I'm always excited. So let's get on with the reading for today, which is Friday, the 22nd of January 2021. And without any further ado, I will shuffle. I am already connected with the angelic realm, and as I said that, a card's already popped. So let's see what Friday has in store for the collective. And the card is the King of Wands. So as you can see, the card has a king who is charismatic and who's confident and quite authoritative as well, with his wand sitting. So wands in tarot represent fire and passion and charisma, and this is the king of wands, so he is the boss of all these qualities. So what this card really signifies is today there will be an energy of passion and charisma, and the energies will be focused on what you like, what you want, and you will be charismatic enough to be able to attract people in your concepts and your ideas too. Now, this card has also come after a lot of looking into yourself in the previous days of the week. So, this also kind of symbolizes that instead of going out of your way to please others and to please people and to change yourself to please others, if you have really let go of those negative patterns and you really believe in yourself, you will attract the same community as you, that loves you and respects you. So just stand your own ground, have confidence and faith in yourself, because authenticity on its own has a lot of power to attract, and it will only attract people that you want in your life, who appreciate you. Your vibe attracts your tribe. I say that a lot, so I must say that today because that's literally the guidance. And the more we have confidence, the more we stick to our convictions and beliefs, uh, the more people we will attract to ourselves. We can build a team. This can also mean that today is the day to promote an idea that you've been thinking of at work, and it will definitely be appreciated by everybody. If you are pitching an idea, it will be successful. You will probably build a team that's completely in awe of you. You will be full of charisma, full of uh, the desire to achieve. You will go and get what you need. It will be a day of success. So it's a beautiful card to come with a lot of energy, a lot of authority. And along with the authority, it's not just authority, but it's also, this card has the energy of having a very attractive personality, a personality where you don't really have to go out of the way to get people to believe you. It will happen naturally because of your charismatic and attractive personality. So please capitalize on these energies today. And if there's any kind of convincing or negotiation or pitching of ideas to be done, this is the day. And most importantly, for me, This card signifies believe in the king in you. Believe that what you think you wish to do or your plans for yourself are in fact the best, and pursue them. And today is the day you will. So, all the very best. My best wishes and love always with you guys. Stay you, stay authentic, believe in yourself, and stay happy. So, see you tomorrow, guys, for the reading for the weekend. And I love you all and have a top weekend. Bye.